A girl whose mind has been enlightened, whose views have been broadened, will no longer be able to live in the world of their ancestors. R.A. Kartini. Raden Ajeng Kartini comes from the Javanese Priyayi or noble class. She is the daughter of Raden Mas Adipati Arya Sastroningrat, a party who was appointed regent of Jepara soon after Kartini was born. Kartini is the daughter of the first wife, but not the main wife. Her mother name Mas Ajeng Ngasirah. Colonial regulation at the time required that a regent be married to a nobleman. Because Mas Ajeng Ngasirah was not a high nobleman, his father remarried a woman named Raden Ajeng Morjang, Jepara, Central Java, 1891. That day Kartini couldn't stop being sad. Her parents, Raden Mas Ajeng Adipati Arya Sastroningrat and Mas Ajeng Ngasirah, conveyed news that made her very surprised. The time had come for her to keeping it.
You should be grateful, Ni, because someone will propose to you.
What is there to be thankful for? A man who already have 3 wives, Mom.
It's good that the regent proposed to you, not a farmer.
Nee will continue to wait for proposal from the Netherlands.
Your proposal might not necessarily be approved. It could be rejected. The application must be answered within 3 days.
Nee will continue to wait for the result of the decision from the Netherlands.
Kartini left the dining table. Kartini is the eldest daughter, so she was the first to feel what it was like. It feels
I
great.
don't want to dipping in.
Calm down, Kartini. This has become a tradition. We can destroy it. We will lend you books so you can continue studying.
Be patient, Kartini. You will definitely be able to get through all this. You are a tough woman, we are sure of it.
Of course, that's for sure.
Kartini escaped from seclusion and decided to carry out her usual activities. Is about teaching children.
Let's read. A. This is B.
Suddenly, Busono came over to Kartini.
Ni, what are you doing here?
I'm teaching, Kang Mas.
What are you teaching? Women have to get married and also have to take care of the house.
Is it wrong for a woman to do the things we want? Women are still human.
Never mind, Kartini. You don't need to teach them. Come on, now go back to your time.
Kartini goes, who will teach us all? Kartini was sitting in front of her house thinking about her fate. Suddenly, the girls with aeroplane faces were seen walking up to him. Kartini then smiled happily when she saw her two friends, Rosa and Stella, visiting.
Stella!
Kartini, how are you?
Maybe physically I'm fine, but my body feels sore. You know, if I can keep quiet.
We understand, Kartini. We also miss you. There is no more cheerful and smart girl like you.
I really miss you too, guys. But this tradition gets me can do what I want.
We also didn't know about the traditions, Kartini. What's wrong with being a woman high school?
I also thought like that. If you don't go to school, what are you doing, Kartini?
I don't know, guys.
Here, we brought a book for you. You can learn from this book.
Really? I'm very grateful to you.
Kartini spent day after day learning things that she said the real woman should be able to do.
Kardina, Rukmini, what are you doing here?
Lower your voice, Kartini.
Let's go around Jepara.
Yes, let's go around
You know
Jepara.
that I'm dipping it, right? I have to go with an escort, and I might not be able to interact with the public.
Slow and calm. Father and mother already left. Let's go now. We will escort you.
Okay, guys. to that woman.
Okay, let's go.
You don't need to. Stand up.
Adipati Aryo Sastroningrat is daughter?
Ma'am, may I ask?
Of course, you can.
Is seclusion a tradition that must be carried out by indigenous people?
Of course, that has been the custom of our ancestor. Moreover, by doing it we can take better care of ourselves and be more careful with men.
Are you attending school?
We are just ordinary people. The only people who can go to school are the Dutch aristocrats and the priai. Apart from them, no one is allowed to go to school. Besides, the women really not need to go to school because later they will definitely get married and do housework just like us.
After touring Jepara, Kartini, Kardina, and Rukmini returned to the Pondopo. Upon arrival, they were at home. Yungasira approached Kartini.
Excuse me, I have permission to speak with Non Kartini.
Don't call me with something like that, Mom.
Kartini was taken away by Yungasira to the lake.
What's wrong, Mom?
There is something I want to ask and understand. What knowledge have you learned from Dutch characters?
Freedom, Mom.
Loyalty. When humans are held in their lap, their hearts are at peace because the balance is maintained. How clever are the Dutch people to rule the world? They will now know loyalty. All this time, Mother has accepted being separated by the wall of life from the children born from this mother's womb. Mother's hope is that the children can go to school and have a higher level than mother.
In the living room, Kartini with Murja and Adipati Aryo.
How is it? Are you ready for the title Raden Ayu?
Ni is ready to accept the proposal from Kanjeng Adipati Joyo from Rembang, but Ni want to ask for condition.
Sure, let's state what the conditions are.
Firstly, Ni doesn't want to wash his feet and doesn't want to be burdened with various complicated manners, and Ni wants to be treated like an ordinary person. Lastly,
That's not me. Only think about yourself, mother. Will not let your condition be fulfilled.
Lastly, I require my future husband to help establish a school for women and the poor. I also want Yungasira not to live in the back house, but in the front house. And I want all of father's sons and daughters to call Yungasira Mas Ajeng, not you.
Quickly write down your condition, then send them to the region of Rembang.
I'm sorry, Father. Allow me to deliver the letter to the region of Rembang.
Is it true Piajeng was the charm of the marriage?
That's right, Kang Mas. If Kang Mas object to this condition, I ask that Kang Mas not prolong this problem into hostility between families.
I'm amused by your concern, but this is normal because Piajeng Kartini doesn't know who I am. In fact, I came here to straighten out something I had to do and explain in a letter. I really want my children to be raised by a strong-headed and intelligent mother like Piajeng Kartini. I will accompany you in guarding your dream. How about that, Piajeng?
After the wedding is held, Kartini and R.A. Joyodingrat went to see the school that Kartini dreamed of. The school was named Kartini School for Women.